Is your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC starting up too slowly? You turn it on and it takes forever to load. Don't worry. In this video, I will show you 4 easy ways to speed up your PC's boot time, including one advanced tip you might not know. So let's get started. Let's start with first startup. It's supposed to make your PC boot faster by saving system info to a file. Here's how to enable it. Press Windows plus R. Type Control and hit enter. Now go to Power Options. Then click Choose what the power buttons do. Next, click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now check Turn on First Startup recommended. Click Save Changes and shut down your PC. For many users, this one change instantly cuts boot time in half. Your PC might be loading tons of apps at startup, and that slows everything down. Here's what to do. Right click the taskbar. After that, go to Task Manager. Then Startup tab. Disable apps you don't need right away like CCleaner, mobile devices, etc. Right click and then click on Disable. The fewer apps that launch at startup, the faster your PC turns on. Now here you can see the last BIOS time, which is 3.7 seconds. Now let's do a deeper optimization using system configuration. First, press Windows plus R. Type msconfig and hit enter. Go to the Boot tab. Then click Advanced Options. Now check number of processor and choose the highest number. Click OK and then Apply and again click OK. After that, restart your PC. This tells Windows to use all CPU cores during boot and speeding things up. Over time, Windows stores junk boot files that slows things down. So let's clean them. First, press Windows plus R. Type prefetch and press enter. Click continue. Now delete all files in the folder. These are temporary boot files. Then do the same with %temp% and temp. Just delete everything inside. Don't worry, these files are safe to delete and your system will recreate the important ones automatically. You can also run disk cleanup for an extra boost. Did you know your PC might be waiting for 30 seconds before even starting Windows? That's because of a hidden boot menu delay. So let's get rid of it and save time. Open Windows Search and type Advanced System Settings. Click on it. Then under the Startup and Recovery section, click Settings. You will see Time to Display list of operating system. By default, it's set to 30 seconds. Just change it to 0 or 5 seconds. Click OK and again click OK to save changes. And that's how you fix slow boot time in Windows like a pro. So give this method a try and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorial and fixes. Thank you. Thanks for watching.